So over here, you can see that I have a blank document, and over here, I'm going to go to Wikipedia. I'm just going to copy this little paragraph out and paste it right here by pressing Ctrl V. You can see that the formatting is preserved. All of the formatting, like the bold, like the links right here, everything has been preserved right here. Let's say I don't want to do that. Then what I can do is I can go to edit and click on paste without formatting. So everything is there without the format copied out over here. You can alternatively press Ctrl Shift V instead or simply Ctrl V right over here, and you can immediately see that the text has been pasted without formatting. And that is how you can paste without formatting to make sure that you follow out the formatting, the default formatting of Google Docs, so that there's no changes later on in editing. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.